Welcome back, Fortnite fans. Today we have an extra special episode.
We're gonna be playing some Reload. We're gonna tear this entire shit up, okay? So I would have loved it if you just joined me on this journey as we absolutely blow people's head off. Like if you like, share, sub if you like. If you don't, that's alright. But anyway, I hope y'all come and enjoy these videos. I know the quality's a little chopped on some of them, but I promise as I grow and I get better equipment, the video quality will get better. But right now, I'm doing what I can, and I'm grinding, making videos regardless, but I'm gonna keep doing everything I can in my power to up the quality as I learn. So yeah, I'm sorry to those of you who are expecting like a 4K masterpiece. I'm just a dude in my bedroom just making fucking gaming videos. But yeah, let's get to this shit. Can we get much higher? So high. Oh, oh. Had to get a sip of water. If you ain't hydrated, get yourself some water right now. This is not a negotiation. Go fill your cup with water. I don't care. We don't need pop. I say that as I ordered a Dr. Pepper from Hardee's. Comment if you guys have Hardee's or Carl's Jr. where you live. I am curious. I know on the West Coast, at least to my knowledge, it's mostly the West Coast. It's Carl's Jr. And on the East Coast where I am, it's Hardee's. But yeah, y'all gotta let me know. Hold on. Land my landing. Nah, bro, I'm trying to shred right now. What are you talking about here? Hold up, you're... See that shit? One more game. That was tough. Oh, we got a shotgun. Let's go. I'm about to lose the jit by now.
Get out of my game.
You don't belong here. Half the map being Battlewood just shows the scale of this POI, genuinely. I love Battlewood. It's a dub POI. Oh, hello, my friend. Oh, no! Oh, I'm about to get cooked. No! Oh, that was a big clutch. Big clutch. When you were with me, free. I'm careless, I believe. Is that a perp SMG-inator that we have? It is, because this goofy died. When you are with me, I'm full. I'm careless, I believe. Why did I do this? This is what. I gotta stop Fuck you, dude. I want to go back to where I was so I can get my loot, but my loot's already gone, so I'm gonna have to loot somewhere else. Well, I've already got someone on my case. It's okay, I'm gonna turn you into yesterday's meal. We can't be doing that now, Johnny. Get out of my fucking game. There's no way, what? Did I have the Ranger shotgun, bro? Yep. I had the most dog shit shotgun in this entire game. I genuinely hate the Ranger shotgun.
Hit your shots, sir. Can't. This is bad. What did you? Oh, I'm fucking dead. I blame the shitty Ranger shotgun that should have never been added to this game because it's so bad. Why would you only want one bullet in your shotgun? I don't care if it hits for good. I hate it. I genuinely don't even want it. Like, remove it from the game. We don't want the Ranger shotgun, Epic. Get it out. Get a gun. Vault it. Throw it in the trash. Keep it with the mechs. Keep it with Chapter 5. Like, we don't need it. I remember them adding this because Chapter 5 just was not hitting. Nobody wanted to play Chapter 5 Season 3. I thought the car mods were cool, but excessive. Like, low-key. Chapter 5 was kind of buns. The first couple seasons were alright though, I won't lie. But I really could care less for it in my honest opinion. Chapter 6 was so much better. How about I put you away for stupid. Oh, hell nah. Don't even bring that near me. I don't need a shotgun if it's gonna be the Ranger. Genuinely, keep that dog shit to yourself. Bro. Purple or not, I'm not picking it up, bro. I'm not taking it. Yeah, you can keep that garbage. Stop giving me the Ranger shotgun. It is literally the worst shotgun ever. Watch this shit. Go, bro. I love the flintlock. I can't wait for Season 8. Hey, whoa, that's pretty rude. Fuck you, buddy. Why am I in Tilted? Who put me in Detroit, Michigan? Dude, I love playing Reload and just getting absolutely fucking pummeled every 5 seconds. This is really fun. Makes me swanky. Oh, great. Got ourselves a card. Where are you at? No. But I don't want to die again. I just got my shit back together. And I'm already like low as shit. No, bruh, I literally shot you with the same. Different people, and then when I try to shoot, my gun says no because it decided yesterday that shooting at the same time as someone is not valid anymore. And then I'm not here to deal with you kids. Get out of my lobby, dog. Dude, what is happening? I need shield and I need fucking ammo. George Flowberry, keep building your silly little hut. Yo, dog. I'm gonna tell you something. Just from me to you, like, no. My guy, you alright? Like, you good? Oh, hell. They follow him. That's ew. Ooh, got it there. Give me that real shit. Real follow, doodle diddle die. I don't really find it respected. That's great. I thought you'd never do that again, alright. I'm a dang dude. Dude, how'd I miss? I'm so bad. 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 Nope. Out of my box, okay. Out of my box, jit. Dude, like, I was trying to load and I just couldn't, like, I choked so hard. Oh, no. Don't like this. Shot in the head by a blonde shorty. I'm alright on that. You keep that though. Dude, where's this kid? Where is this fucking kid at? Give me that on the diddle dang maneuver. Follow Tooga my new skin. Nooga dooga line. Follow you again. Looga dooga tang my name. You wanna do again on a moo tang. On a loo tang. Diddle dang my name. Diddle dang nang dang. Dude, get out. Dude, that was some stormtrooper aim, no cap. No cap. Oh, dude, chill. Bang the new big diddle dang man. Oh, this guy is doing the most. I gotta get out of here right now. Edit! Edit! On my case. 25-8 black. Get out of here. Tired of you. Tired of all this life. Why is there 86 kids with grapple guns on my case right now? This is ridiculous. This is not very constitutional for me. On a diddle to die. To like collect it because this kid's already on my. Okay. Bro, like, get off my case. dang, diddle dang. Follow again. Oh well. Diddle jiddle mine. Deuce McGugan. Oh, I'm dead. I'm actually